Would you trust me if I told you there's a simple method to make $25? There is, indeed. And you don't need to do much because I made sure this was really simple to do, especially for people who are new to performing internet tasks. The best part is that you don't have to invest anything because this is completely free. And you can do it from anywhere on the planet. Yes, you read that correctly. You may earn money right now, no matter where you are, thanks to the fresh new method I'll teach you in today's video. Everyone who works hard to implement this method has already made a lot of money. And I want the same thing to happen to you. That is why I strongly advise you to watch this video all the way through so you know how to accomplish it. And you won't have to worry because I'll be with you every step of the way. And I'll teach you how to implement this method effectively and earn a lot of money later in a step-by-step guide. As always, I'll be providing you with some special additional advice to help you double or even triple your profits, so keep an eye out for that later. But first, welcome to Money Intelligence, where we show you how to make money online in the simplest way possible. Please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime we release a new video on how to make money online, you will be the first to know and you will be able to start making things happen right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Please don't be shy about leaving a comment down below if you have any concerns, questions, or thoughts regarding the video. Let's get back to the video now, shall we now? Now I'll attempt to keep this video brief so you can start making money right away. So the first thing you need to do is go to this website called Pexels.com. This is a place where you may download copyright-free images. If you're new to my channel, Pexels is a free stock picture and video website and app that assists designers, bloggers, and anybody searching for visuals in locating outstanding images and movies that can be downloaded and used for free. If you like a photo or video, you may download it for free from Pexels. Now I want you to look for black and white photographs. You may achieve this by putting black and white photo into the search box and then pressing enter. When you scroll down, you'll notice that they offer a lot of free black and white photos that you may download. We'll be using these photos later on to generate money online, and I'll show you how to do it, so stay tuned. Okay, the next step is to visit this website called Colorize.com. In my videos, I haven't said anything about this website. But in essence, Colorize is a program that uses AI to convert black and white photos to colored photos. Colorize.com is an AI-powered photo colorizer that streamlines the entire colorized work process. It is possible to colorize antique pictures. The AI photo colorizer, which is driven entirely by AI technology and deep learning, allows you to colorize black and white photos into yellowish or gray images in seconds. It's actually extremely simple to use. As you can see, there are just 3 steps required to colorize a photo using this program. First, you must prepare your digital black and white photo, and then you must upload that photo. Finally, you may get the colorized photo for free. That's quite cool, isn't it? I'll now teach you how to use this tool because we'll be using it to make money later on. Okay, when you go to the homepage of this website, you'll notice a box where you may submit your photo. Click on that, and then select the black and white photo that you want to colorize. You can grab some photographs from Pexels and then post them here. It will take a few seconds for their AI to colorize your photo when you submit it. Then from this black and white photo, you get a completely colored photo. As previously said, you can download this photo for free. Simply click on the download option to save the colorized image to your computer. You may also do this with your phone. You can use this AI tool even if you don't have a computer or a laptop. Let's attempt to colorize another photo. You just have to do the same thing as before, click on this upload button, then pick your photo, wait a few seconds, and now you have a fully colorized photo that you can download for free. If you like, you may colorize a large number of photos. Later on, I'll show you where you can make money by using this free tool, so keep watching and don't miss any bits because I'll have another website that I'd want to share with you that you can also use to make money. There aren't many people talking about the websites I'm presenting to you in my videos right now, so you are really fortunate to be seeing this right now. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's return to the video. Another website I'd like to show you today is remove.bg. This is another program that can erase backgrounds completely automatically in 5 seconds with no clicks. There are over 20 million additional fascinating activities that involve manually deleting backgrounds. Thanks to remove.bg's astute artificial intelligence, you can shorten your editing time and have more fun. This is an example of a photo with a background removed using this free tool. When I slide this button, you can view the photo with a background. When I slide it to the other side, you can view the picture without a background. All of this is accomplished through the use of their powerful AI tool. The best part is that it is completely free. Yes, you read correctly, you can use this AI technology for free. You may also utilize this to generate money online later on. And I'll show you precisely how to accomplish it in a moment. Let's first see how this tool works before I show you how to generate money with it and the prior one. So on their webpage, you can see that you can upload a photo or just drag and drop a photo into this box, which I'll attempt to use as an example. As you can see, they erase the background from this picture in a couple of seconds. And as you can see, you can download this picture for free by clicking on one of these two links. If you want to get it in a better resolution, click here and it will now be downloaded directly to your computer. You may do this on your mobile phone as well. You don't have to be concerned if you don't have a computer or a laptop because you can do this with your phone. Now I'll show you several websites where you may make money by just using the two applications I described previously. Fiverr.com is the first website. I'm sure many of you are already familiar with this website. However, for those who are unfamiliar, this is an internet marketplace for freelancing services. This is where freelancers may sell their services to clients all around the world. To begin, go to the search box and enter in colorized photo, then press the search button. After that, you will be able to see all of the people that are selling this sort of service. As can be seen, the payment goes from $5 to $25, and all they do is colorize images using the website I described earlier. You too can accomplish this sort of job without breaking a sweat, because everything is done automatically with the use of colorize.com. You may just submit a black and white photo, and the AI technology on colorize.com will handle the rest. That's incredible, isn't it? Now, in order to earn money from Fiverr, you must first create an account. To do so, simply click on Become a Seller right here. Then proceed to this page where you can sign up as a seller for free. All you need to do is fill in the necessary information and then click here to continue. After that, you may begin selling your services on Fiverr. PeoplePerHour.com is the next website where you may sell services. All you have to do, just like on Fiverr, is search for background removal. Then you'll be able to view all of these people marketing their services. The reward for this sort of expertise ranges from $10 and $30. That's a lot of money you can make by simply removing backgrounds from images, and you don't have to do anything because you can just use remove.bg to accomplish it. To begin selling your services on PeoplePerHour.com, you must first create a free account. To do so, simply click on this one at the top and you'll be sent to this page. Make sure you click on I wish to work as a freelancer and then fill out the necessary information right here. You may begin selling your skills on these websites now that you have accounts on Fiverr and People Per Hour. So, if you want to colorize black and white photos, go to colorize.com, and if you want to remove the background from a photo, go to remove.bg. You can repeat this process till you reach your target earning level. That's the end of it. It's been Money Intelligence. Subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.